Namaste everyone, I am Ranjan Dakal, back again yet with another video that is related to the geometry, and it's going to be helpful for the students of grade 8 and above. Okay, now here in geometry today I have chosen a topic that is very important while doing a construction of any geometrical figure. That means that may be a rectangle, that may be a square, or that may be a parallelogram. What are the things that must be considered during construction of a geometrical figure? Okay, now let's begin into point. That means what? The first thing that must be considered is that the lines must not overlap. Actually, this is the place where most of the student do some kind of error. That means what they do? They construct a line using scale. Now whenever they have to elongate this line, while doing like this, that means they do like this. Now look, here is the place of overlapping, and this must not be done. No overlapping while constructing a geometrical figure. The straight line must go like this. It must be smoothly. Okay. Now second thing is additional construction. We can say if we have to construct an angle of 60 degree, then we construct an arc over there, isn't it? That is an example of the additional constructor. We are not supposed to construct an arc, but without arc we cannot construct 60 degree or whatever degree we are going to construct. Okay, those type of additional construction, they must be of appropriate size. Okay, now giving on to the example, let me make you clear. Suppose my base is AB and I have drawn a length of this much. Now if I have to construct an angle of 60 degree, now I am going to keep a compass over here and construct a 60 degree over here. Look, the arc is too big than the figure. That means though this is correct 60 degree, but the arc is somehow not making the construction clean. Another one, AB, if I make the arc too small, this also doesn't give the construction of the geometrical figure in a proper manner. That means it must be in a appropriate size. Identify what appropriate size we have to construct according to the given things. Okay, I hope you are clear about that. Now the third point is sharpening pencil. Because if you use a blunt pencil, there might be the geometrical construction error over there. That means, let me give you an example. If I am going to construct a 45 degree over here, if I use a blunt pencil, the thickness of the line will be greater. And instead of constructing 60 degree, I may have been constructed 48 degree, 62 degree, which later on give impacts when we are drawing a rectangle, parallelogram. The rectangle may not seem rectangle like this. It may be slightly deviated. Look, here if we see properly, this is though we have constructed 90 degree over here, but this line is not exactly right angle. It is 88 degree, somewhat 88 degree. This kind of error occurs when we are doing a geometrical figure. If we do not sharp our pencil, or if we do not use if we use a blunt pencil. Now the fourth one is write all the given things. Write all the given things after construction in the figure. That means if I have constructed a square, okay, you are not leaving the square like this only. That means you have to write the naming. This is a square. All four sides are equal. We have constructed, and if a side is 4 centimeter, now I have to write 4 centimeter also. Fourth one. And the last but not least, never forget to write conclusion. If we go through the marks, the conclusion part of a construction carries 1 marks. And many of the students, they construct the geometrical figure in a very good manner, in an appropriate way, in a proper way. Sometimes they forget to write the conclusion. This part must not be missing at the end of the construction of a geometrical figure. Okay, that means in today's video what we discussed about what are the things that has to be taken into consideration while drawing or while doing construction of a geometrical figure. The first, line must not be overlapped, or line must not overlap. Perfect example, this is fine, isn't it? Second one is, if we have additional construction, that means not a major construction, like construction of an arc, construction of a perpendicular line, which may be needed but which is not asked by the question. Those type of additional construction, they must be made of appropriate size, so that your construction finally, after final construction, it will be neat and clear. Do not use a blunt pencil. It may give some geometrical constructional error. Then write all the given things after construction in the figure 2, in the geometrical figure 2. And at last, always write the conclusion. Okay? And in today's video, I think this is fine enough for you all to understand that these things must not be missed during a construction of a geometrical figure. Okay, and this much for today. Have a good time ahead. Stay safe, everyone. If the video may have some grammatical error and all, I hope you ignore that. And if you have any suggestion regarding the video, please feel free to inbox me. Have a good day. Bye bye.